Why is the SAT coachable in the first place? Isn't it an aptitude test? No. It once upon a time stood for Scholastic Aptitude Test. And in the 1920s, when it was created, the SAT looked very different than it does today. The SAT today has learnable skills. Some people call that aptitude. The SAT themselves don't even use that word anymore. When things are learnable, they're coachable. The SAT presents standards that the whole public is able to see, and under good coaching, the whole public is able to work themselves up to. We have good coaches. We have techniques that have worked for years with long-standing problems, with newer types of problems, and the SAT is changing, so there will be a lot more newer problems. We apply coachable things to new math endeavors, a new type of writing prompt. We can still have our students work towards it. The reason why the SAT is coachable beyond schoolwork is that it's asking for things that are not given in school. School is not giving a math question that asks for the backside of a solid shape and what it looks like, or what the imprint when reversed and flipped would look like. That's kind of a vision question, but who coaches that? The SAT is asking for things that English classes almost never cover. When you have competing authors' point of view in a short, dense pair of passages, that's not given over in your typical English class, but it's coached well by our tutors. And students can then start with almost no experience and move themselves up to getting perfect scores in reading comprehension sections. Coachability is why we can be in business in the first place. 15 years later, we wouldn't be around if we weren't getting students a lot higher scores. On average, over 200 points on the old scale. New scale, it's about 168. We'd like you to be in that level of success at least. If and when you're calling us, I want you to set that 168-point improvement as your minimum goal. It's realistic. Let us help.